everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to film this peachy look for you all today in honor of spring. I'm hoping that if I do enough warm colored makeup tutorials, spring will actually land here in New York, but maybe that is wishful thinking. As always, if you are already subscribed to my channel, then I thank you so much and welcome to the Ishi gang. And if you're not, well, you should, because I'm kind of cool. Like, get some makeup out of it, some laughs, some corniness. I got a little bit of everything on this channel, so you should just click that subscribe button and also click the notification buttons because you want to see when I drop these videos. So if you want to see how I completed this look, then you should keep on watching and let's chill out. I am priming my face using Tarte's Poreless mattifying primer and just applying this all over my face using a brush. Next, to fill in my eyebrows, I am using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color dark brown. And I'm just going to speed through my eyebrows. If you want to see a more in-depth eyebrow tutorial, I have it linked in this video. And to make sure those eyebrows stay put, I'm using Brow Food's Clear Eyebrow Gel. Next, we have cleanup, so I'm going to make sure those eyebrows look sleek and fierce with my Nars concealer. And I'm just going to clean them up and camouflage any sparse hairs I may have with a mini concealer brush. I want to make sure my eyeshadow really pops with this look, so I'm going in with my Smashbox lid primer and just applying this all over my eyelids and then using a small beauty blender to pat down that primer. And I want my face to look really glowy underneath my foundation, so I'm going to go in with my NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the color Gleam. And of course, y'all know I have to use my favorite foundation, so I'm going in with Nars' Radiant Foundation in the color Caracas. And of course, I'm going to use one of my favorite palettes as well. It's my Raye ABH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to go in with the color Spice for my crease. Back to Morphe's Jewel Crew palette, I'm going to use the color Chocolate Diamond and put that in my crease as well. And as you all know, I fell in love with this palette and I used it in my previous video, which I will link in the description box below. Next, I'm going to use the shimmery brown color called Flex and put this on the outer corner of my eyelid. Next, I'm going to put a little bit of Nars concealer in my middle of my eyelid to the inner corner. I'm going to pack on the color Stone Fox all over my eyelid and make that color really pop. And to make that color pop even more, I'm going to spray some Fix Plus and use the color Rock Out and apply this all over my lids. Using my finger, I'm going to apply some Fool's Gold to the center of my eyelids, and I'm going for a very subtle pop of color. I'm going to create a wing using my Fierce Flicks Ciate London eyeliner, and I'm just going to speed through this. I'm just going to apply the Irresistible lashes from Azerado Cosmetics off camera, and I'm just going to meld those eyelashes together with some mascara. And now we're moving on to highlighting. So again, I'm using my Nars concealer and just highlighting under my eyes, my nose, my chin, and my forehead. And I'm going to clean up my wing a little bit just using that detailed concealer brush. And now I'm going to blend that concealer out. And of course, I'm going to bake with a little bit of Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And don't I look cute with all that powder on my face? Yes, yes, yes. And I'm just going to wipe that away with my Chai Powder from the ABH Cosmetics. It's my Raye palette. Taking my Black Radiance concealer stick in the color Espresso, I am going to contour the cheeks of my face, my forehead, my nose, etc. And I'm going to do something different and use a brush to blend this out instead of a beauty blender. I'm just going to take the beauty blender that had a little bit of that setting powder and apply that down the bridge of my nose. And then I'm going to take the color Mocha from my ABH Cosmetics palette and just apply that over the contour again, just to deepen and add some warmth to my face. I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Ultra Blush palette in the style Hot Spice and using that pinky peach color to add some blush to my cheeks. To finish up my eyes, I'm just going to take the color Chocolate Diamond again and put that on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take the color Rock Out and just put that from my inner corner to the middle of my lash line. I'm just going to apply some bottom lash mascara. And I'm just going to take a bit of Fool's Gold and apply that to the inner corners of my eyes. Taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the style That Glow, I'm going to take the color Sunburst and apply that all over my face. And now for my lips, I'm going to use a product that has been sitting in my makeup drawer for a while. It is the Urban Decay Blackmail Vice Lipstick Palette. And I'm going to line my lips with the color called Firebird. And now I'm going to use the color Disobedient all over my lips and make sure that that blends in with Big Bang to kind of create a ombre lip effect. And last, to add a bit of highlight to my lips, I'm going to take the color 714 and just apply that to the middle of my lips. And voila, there you have it. This is the completed look. So this is the completed look. I hope you all enjoyed it. I had a really great time filming a peach look. I don't think I've uploaded one like this to my channel before, but I think that this is the perfect look for spring, and it perfectly matches my tracksuit that y'all can't really see, but you know, it's whatever. And I had a really good time playing around with my Urban Decay lip kit. I don't really know my primary colors like that, so I was kind of mixing and matching as I went along, and I really like this color that I created. Don't think I'd be able to recreate it again, but you know, that's neither here nor there. So let me know if you like this look. Let me know if you have any other tutorial ideas for me to do, and like and subscribe and all that jazz, and I will see you all next week. Bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to my why? Okay, we good? We Gucci? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I just decided, why can't I speak today? I don't know why I cannot speak. I don't know.